Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. What's up with it, my niggas, bro? Y'all already know what we do, man. So I got a message from my loyal supporters. Y'all already know how we get down. Put that shit on the screen, bro. He said, yo, I've been following you on TikTok for a while, and there's this girl that every guy wants. He said, and I was wondering if you got any tips trying to stand out from the rest, you know? So, let me get back in. Let me center myself. So look, bro. It's a girl that every guy wants. But look, the thing is, she gonna go for the better options. Every girl gonna look. Every girl try to date up. They try to date up. What I mean by that is they don't want no dude that's kind of on the same level or below them. They will get a dude that's on the same level, but they not. They always try to date up. What I mean up, they want a dude that got more money than them. They want a dude that got more social status than them. What I mean by social status is that know more people than them, that more popular than them. They don't want to get no dude that's kind of like, don't know about why y'all think in y'all school the popular girl go for the popular dudes. Y'all ever seen a real popular girl get a nigga that nobody want, the quiet nigga? No. It don't matter how the nigga look. If he just a quiet nigga, don't nobody know him, they don't really want him. You know what I'm saying? Well, I think most girls like the football players. They all got social status, right? You know what I'm saying? So basically what I'm saying is you got to be a very good option. You got to have a lot of value. You got to be better than her other options. And y'all asking, how do I just become more popular than this dude? Or how do I get more social status? I just said be better than them, didn't it? I know your ass gonna come in and say, you need to make a script. I ain't making no script. I'm just talking. But look, I just like to flow with it though. Like sometimes I have it, sometimes, you know, I lose my train of thought. It's normal. But yeah, look, I'm finna tell y'all how to do those things. So the first thing, right? You can't. All right, so look, you can either sit there and complain about, oh, I can't. She like him. How do I supposed to be better than him? The football players. How do I become better than him? You can either sit there and complain, or you can get better. And I'm gonna tell you how to get better. You gotta self-improve. I tell y'all that all the time, every day. I tell y'all that down there every day. Down there all my videos. I do that for a reason, nigga. Why would I sit up here and lie to y'all? I tell y'all that nigga that shit for a reason, cause it's very important. It'll change a lot of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Look. So this is what you do. This is how you stand out at school. You do things, you be like more, you have more value than everybody else. For example, right? This is one thing that you can do. This one thing. Build your social status. How do I build my social status? Have a lot of friends. How do I get a lot of friends? Talk to every fucking body. Talk to everybody. Chat, I'm not, look, I'm finna tell y'all like this. I wasn't the most popular nigga at the school. I wasn't the nigga that go to all the famous popular clubs and parties. The cheerleaders hosting parties and football player hosting parties. I didn't go to that shit. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't the popular nigga, but everybody knew me. The popular niggas, they knew me. They ain't know me personally. They knew me and they knew of me. They knew when they seen me, they knew my name. And I wasn't doing content. I was doing a little Snapchat shit, but it wasn't really big. I didn't have a TikTok. I didn't have no followers. I didn't have no Instagram. You know what I'm saying? But let me tell you what I did though. A lot of people knew me because I was friends with a lot of people. The way you become friends with a lot of people, talk to everybody. Man, it's been chat. I got no reason to lie to y'all. If y'all niggas know me, watch my story time, my live streams, I'ma always keep it a stack. I'm not gonna cap to y'all niggas. Look, it was people that I never even talked to. I didn't even know who he was. People used to just walk and say, what's up with the cam? I used to say, what's up? I never knew who the person was. I probably spoke to him like a while, but I don't know who he was. It was that used to happen, bro. And I'm telling y'all, nigga, talk to everybody. Even people that even the so-called nerds or whatever y'all call them, be cool with them. Lock in with the nerds, nigga. Lock in with the dancing niggas. Whatever college, every school got their little branches of people. Just lock in with all them niggas. I ain't saying lock in and be real buddy and cool, right? I ain't editing this. Y'all know how I get down. I ain't saying lock in and be real buddy and cool. I'm saying by be friends, I'm saying speak to everybody. I ain't saying just walk up to a random dude and say, what's up? You can do that. That's good. That's good. You see a dude passing by, you say, oh, what's up? You straight? You know, dap him up something. He'll be like, yeah, I'm good. So then the next time he see you, he gonna do it to you. You gonna say, what's up, bro? You just say, what's up? You ain't even got to know the nigga name. It's been like that. I started a lot of friendships like that. You just walk and say, excuse me, my bad. You good? You dap him up, shake his hand or some shit. You good? Straight? Oh yeah, I'm straight. Then next time every time y'all see each other, y'all damn near gonna shake up. Nigga gonna think y'all know each other. Picture that, chat. You walking with a girl. You trying to rizz a girl up down the hallway. You walking with a girl. A lot of niggas just walking up to you. What's up with it, Cam? Y'all, what's up with it, bro? You know, you walking. Then you talking to her. Oh yeah, what you finna do? Somebody, what's up with it, Cam? Oh, what's up with it, my dog? What she gonna think in her head, bro? She'll say, oh my God, he know. Who is he? Like, that's what she gonna be in her head. She gonna be like, who is he? A lot of people know him. I'm telling y'all, chat. I'm telling y'all, nigga. I'm telling y'all, bro. Be friends with everybody. Like, just talk to everybody, bro. Just talk to everybody. Just think of any question, bro. Any question you can ask somebody. It don't matter if they do. It don't matter if they women. Be friends with everybody. I'm telling y'all, this the best way to boost your social status. I wasn't I told y'all niggas, I wasn't the most popular niggas. I went to like a couple football. I went to football games and shit like that, but I ain't go to no outside parties with niggas. I didn't do none of that shit. I didn't hit up the popular niggas. Like, it wasn't none of that. You know what I'm saying? But they all just knew a nigga. Like, know my name and shit. I'm gonna tell y'all how they knew who I was. They knew my name. Cause I ain't really know that at first. I'm thinking, bro, I don't talk to y'all niggas. How y'all niggas know me? You know what I'm saying? It was a girl. It was a girl. I'm not gonna say no names, obviously, but it was a girl. She was like the top of the little cheerleader shit. You know what I'm saying? She was like the top of the cheerleader shit. Like, I don't know if she was captain or whatever, but she was like, she basically, y'all know that one girl's like, they just run the cheerleader shit. It was her ad. Like, walked up to me one day, was like on some shit like, Cameron, you some, I don't really remember what she said, but basically she had a dude though, but she still like tried to, she was like, next time I see you, I'm gonna get your number, some shit. But the nigga that she was with was kind of like my nigga, so I was like, all right, but I ain't really never say nothing. You know what I'm saying? Look, she already knew a nigga name. And the popular nigga football players, they knew a nigga name too. They'll say, what's up, Cam? Nigga, we playing pickup basketball in the gym. Nigga say, hey, I'm gonna get Cam. I got Cam. How the fuck you know me, nigga? I ain't never talked to you. Yeah, I get what I'm saying? They know me from mutuals, other people knowing me. You get what I'm saying? So I'm saying, bro, y'all lock in and be cool with everybody. It'll boost your social status. That'll put you kind of above other people. Y'all gotta finish watching this video. You gotta watch from beginning to end. This one thing, this social status, which is very important. Social status is very important. So look, the second thing I'm gonna talk about, I'm gonna talk about appearance, right? And y'all know y'all won't hear about appearance, look the good, look the best, all this stuff. Look, a lot of people say appearance doesn't matter. A lot of people say that. A lot of people say looks don't matter. That's how the world just mind fucked everybody, bro. They just mind fuck people. They try to make everything cool. They try to say big people, like fat people, it's okay to be fat. Like, bro, I'm not saying it's the baddest shit in the world, but bro, instead of saying that, why don't you tell niggas to work out? You trying to make it comfortable. You trying to make them more, bro. I'm gonna just say what it is, bro. I don't care what y'all say. I got fat people in my family, man. I'm saying, bro, why don't you encourage them to work out instead of just saying, oh, it's cool to be like that. It's cool to be big. Now y'all got people saying, how do you get, bro? I get DMs be like, how do you get girls to like you when you fat, when you big? Nigga, stop being big. Go to the gym. Y'all try to make it seem like it's a disease or it's like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can't help it. Nigga, you know what the fuck you eating when you pour all this sugar in your food. You know what you eating, nigga. Nobody is shoving nothing down your throat. Pause, chat. Is that a pause? Is that a pause, bro? I don't think there's no pause, bro. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about food. Y'all don't be weird in the comments. I'm talking about food, bro. Y'all know what it is. I just know if I was on live, niggas would be going crazy. But yeah, y'all know what y'all eating though. Stop trying to make it seem like it's some other shit. Basically, what I'm saying, appearance matter, bro. One thing that y'all niggas sleep on is y'all skin. Every dude sleep on skin. You sleep on your skin. Stop sleeping on your skin. Your skin is very important. Get you a face routine. I always tell y'all, get you a face routine. Y'all want to know what I use? I use Geology. The link is in the bio. I got my whole link tree in the bio. Click that one link, everything gonna pop up. I use Geology. But yeah, another thing, like, take care of your skin. Get you a face routine. You know what I'm saying? People ain't got the best skin, but you can make it. You can make it the best of what it is. Why not make it the best of what it is? Another thing, like, take care of y'all, nigga, brush your teeth like twice a day. People probably just brush their teeth in the morning. You know what I'm saying? They probably just let it rock out. I got 2 toothpastes. I brush my teeth in the morning and at night. You probably ain't got the prettiest teeth or the straightest teeth, but nigga, you can have the cleanest, nigga. Like, y'all gotta pay attention to the little things. Another thing, nigga, y'all lips. To your lips. Y'all don't think a lot of women like really care about lips, do it? They do. The thing women really care about, they ain't really gonna say it. They're just gonna look. This little like got crust on it. I don't really. It's like gonna turn them down. They not gonna say it, nigga. They ain't gonna tell you. You need to put some on your lips. Some girls will tell you that, but most women not gonna tell you that. They just gonna look at it. They gonna smile. They gonna look at it, and when you walk away, they gonna be like, Bro. What I'm telling y'all, nigga, y'all gotta take care of y'allself. Every little thing. Start try to get your hair cut at least once a week. I know a lot of y'all can't do that, but try at least once a week if you can. If you have the funds, or you know, if your parents, you know, do what they do, just try once a week. You know what I'm saying? The parents matter. Get in shape, nigga. If you're a big nigga, or if you're a very, very skinny nigga. Women like, there's a lot of women that I know that like skinny dudes, but bro, if you very, very skinny, come on, work on that, bro. I'm not saying y'all gotta be the biggest, baddest muscle man. No, I'm saying just have a little tone. Like be sexually pleasing with a tank top on. You get what I'm saying? When you got a t-shirt on, make it look good, bro. Don't like, y'all get what I'm saying, don't it? So appearance does matter. Take care of yourself. Take care of your appearance, because I swear it matters. I promise it matters. I promise you. You ain't gonna think that, because women ain't gonna come in your face and just tell you, your skin, like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna tell you. So look, off of appearance, right? We done with appearance. The third thing is I'm gonna just say the way you carry yourself, your confidence, the way you dress, right? The way you dress. You don't have to. Look, I've been telling y'all, nigga. I saw a tweet about this, bro, and I've been telling y'all this for the longest. I'm at 500K on Instagram. I was telling y'all this, like, when I was at 90K, bro. I got on Puma, chat. Like, niggas ain't jacking Puma like that. I don't care, bro. I like the design on it, nigga. I'm telling y'all this, bro. It don't matter what you got on, bro. It don't matter what it really say. It don't. If it look good, nigga, and it fit you good, wear it, bro. I'm telling y'all. The only thing that you should care about, that I care about, is shoes. I want the Jordans. You know what I'm saying? I want some good shoes. But other than fits, nigga, I don't care. I don't care if my pants say pants. Nigga, I don't care. I don't care if my shirt say shirt. Nigga, if it look good, I'm buying it. Y'all get what I'm saying? And I promise y'all, women don't care. If you walking and your clothes fit you and they look good, you think they caring about, wait, what it say on that? It say Puma. No, nigga. They'll be like, oh, he look good. He look good. A lot of people know him too. You know what I'm saying? Then you got a little body. And she's like, I wonder what he can do to me. He look strong. Y'all get what I'm saying? The clothes and shit don't matter. Pants. I ain't spending $40 for no pants. I'm not gonna lie, nigga. In school, nigga, I'm not spending 40 or more for no pants. I don't care about, bro. I don't care about pants, nigga. Pants should be the cheapest thing you probably buy. As long as they fit good and they whatever color you want. That's all I cared about. If they fit me good. Because I don't wear baggy jeans, but I don't want them tight as hell. I want them kind of like fitted. If they fit good, I'm buying them. I don't care if they $5, $10, $15, $20, $25, probably $30, depending on, you know. But I ain't going that high. And for shirts, nigga, I mainly wore the white tees. I just had on a little hoodie. You know? I'm saying that to say this, bro. Y'all don't have to buy expensive clothes, bro. Buy clothes that look good. Wear cologne. Don't drown yourself in cologne, but wear cologne. This video, you know what I'm saying? We've been talking for a minute. It's about, 15 minutes. But I'm gonna wrap it up soon. But that's how you gotta stand out by improving yourself and becoming better. Cause Everybody got flaws. Everybody got flaws. And what you need to do is you need to lower all your flaws as you can. I'm not saying be the perfect dude, but let's just say you probably don't even peep your own flaws. People around you really peep your flaws, but they ain't gonna really tell you. You know what I'm saying? Like, you'll probably hear them say something about it on some hate shit, but you ain't really gonna know. Like, you think if you walking around, you got dry skin, like your skin peeling a little bit, a nigga gonna come up to you, bro, your skin peeling. No, they not gonna say shit. Or a girl most definitely ain't gonna say nothing. She probably say, you need to put some lotion on your face. Just as planned, like, you know, or if she kind of really like you, she probably do that. But I'm saying, bro, take care of everything. Take care of everything, bro. Take care of everything. When you look in the mirror, nigga, you supposed to be, bro, before you go to sleep, when you hop out that shower, you supposed to at least be in the mirror doing something to your face. For at least 5 or 10 minutes. Brush your teeth, nigga. You need some little face powder. You putting shit on your face, white stuff. Bro, you know how attractive that is? A girl to call you and you doing your face routine. You putting the shit on your face. You like, what? She like, what you doing? Ah, shit, just doing my face. You know, you on FaceTime. You know how attractive that is? She like, damn, that boy, he take care of himself. You like, oh, yeah. Then you like, you know what I'm saying? Bro, you know how attractive that is to women. She like, oh, he take care of skin. Imagine how he'll take care of me. Because a lot of women, they do that. A lot of women care about their beauty. They doing their face stuff. She start fantasizing. Okay, if we be together, if we together, I'm in the mirror doing my face stuff. He gonna be in the mirror doing his face stuff too. That's gonna be cute. We can take pictures like that. That's how they think. Women like to fantasize. I'm telling y'all. They picture, when they talking to a dude, they picture the future with them. They picture the future with them. That's why I tell y'all to grind. They picture the future. Bro, when I talk to a girl, and she, I know that they fantasize. When they think of a future with me, bro, they think about the future of like being with a content creator. That's what they picture. Why would they picture that? Because this is what I'm doing. I'm grinding at this shit. Growing fast. They picture living with a content creator, and then they gravitate to want to do content. When I talk to a girl, she starting to want to do content too. And have a little content family like she see on the internet. A lot of women fantasize of things they see on the internet. That's why I say your face. That's why I say you doing your routine. She picturing what she see on the internet. People taking pictures with their face mask on. And being cute and shit. She thinking about that with you now. I'm dragging this video along. If y'all made it this far, make sure y'all comment a 100 emoji. Just so I can know niggas stayed this long. Cause I don't really stretch these videos that long. Y'all know they be about 8 minutes on the advice. 8 to 10 minutes. But if y'all like these longer videos, comment to 100 or comment longer videos. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up with that. I hope I answered your question. Well, I know I answered your question, my boy. But basically, the basic answer to your question, just improve and become one of the best options that she can get. You the best option she can get, she gonna always gravitate towards you. With that being said, I'm gonna see y'all niggas in the next video.